Shravan, should we start with the interview?
Yes, sir, you can go ahead.
Yep. I will share you one chat and yep, you can check on your chat box. Okay. Before executing this, first tell me the difference between null and undefined, and then you can let me know what will be the output. So first tell me about the difference between null and undefined.
Undefined is the value which is automatically set by JavaScript. Sir. When we not initialize a variable, when we declare variable, if we not initialize it, it will set to undefined. Sir. If we intentionally want to set a particular value to be blank, we set it null. Sir.
Okay, so now tell me what will be the output here.
First one uh, it will be not a number, sir. Next one,
It will be not a number. Okay, make sure you see everything, just not the sum.
first one it will going to output as 120, sir.
Okay, 120, and that's it.
Yes, sir, 120. Next one will be, it's also, I think it's also same 120, sir.
Okay, that one also be 120, and the first and second function will provide 120. You mean to say?
Yes, sir. Yes,
So there is no difference between null and undefined.
yes, sir.
Okay, so
It will be
both,
as,
okay, both are 120. Okay, you are telling
yes,
me
sir.
both the output will be 120. Now, do you know function returns something?
Yes, sir. Sir. Function, it's not returning anything, so it will be undefined, sir.
Okay, you can write on the comments what will be the output, and then we will recheck it.
120 undefined, sir.
Okay.
I think it's also be the same, sir.
Yeah. Okay, 120 undefined, 120 undefined. That's it.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you mean to say it will take
Yes,
the input in the first function. It will take the input uh, a is equals to 100 instead of null. You mean to say?
yes, sir. I thought like that. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I thought like that.
Okay. Okay. So 120 it will take. It will uh ignore null. You mean to say?
Yes, sir.
Okay. First tell me if null and 20 gets added, what will be the output?
It will be not a number, sir. I think.
It will be not a number.
Yes, sir.
Okay, you can comment this all out and uh, write console log of uh, null plus any number plus yeah, and it will be not a number. You mean to say?
Yes, sir.
Okay, run this then.
So, yes,
Now write undefined plus two. What will be the output? And don't run it. Don't run it. First, tell me the output. What it will be?
it's also going to be 2, sir.
It will be two.
Yes, sir.
Run this. Now, now you can comment or you can remove this out. You can remove this console log. Yep. And go up and remove from the comments the above code. Remove all the yeah. So, okay, you told me 120 and undefined, and both will be the same. Do you want to change now, or it will remain the same?
It will be resulting in not a number, sir.
It will be not a number.
Mm, yes, sir. They are undefined.
But you told me
No, sir.
undefined will get ignored, you told me, right? And that's why 100 plus 20 will get added. You told me
Now, what I
before.
think, sir, here it's undefined, sir. We are passing, but in the parameters we are setting the default value as a equals to 100. So I thought it would be 100 plus. Here it takes 20, 120, sir. I
So
think it's gonna like this, sir.
so it will be 120 or it will be not a number. What it will be?
I think it's 120, sir.
120. Okay. And the first one?
It's just 20, sir. I think.
20. How you can change from 120 to 20? Why?
Here we are explicitly passing B only. Here we are passing null. Null means it gonna. I think it's not gonna take A as its default value. Then it sets null here, and it gives 20 as here, and null plus 20 is equals to 20.
Okay, you told me, so before that you told me null will get ignored, and that's why it will take default value a is equals to 100. A it will taken as input as 100 and 20 will be taken before this. But
Yes,
how you got changed? Like what, which thinking
null null
made you
null
you
is also,
change?
null is also considered as value, sir.
Okay,
So it gonna use a here here at a it gonna use null only, sir. I think it's not gonna reinitialize this as 100.
okay, fine.
But here is undefined is undefined is can be updated after you can initialize later, and it takes this as a default value and 120.
Okay, fine. Can you comment all this out, or you can remove
Yes,
this?
sir.
Write an object. Uh, Write with key value pairs A1, B2, C3, and write B as a string. For that, write 4,
For
and yep, and write C as a 6 after this. Yep, write C as a string. Okay, let C be as it is. Okay. Yep. And now tell me, just print the obj object and tell me what will be the output.
now here what happens, sir? We are in objects, the key values keys are considered as strings, sir. So first of all, when we are declaring when you are assigning b to c, b equals to 2, then again it comes here, then it will be override b equals to 4. So then here also c is considered as 6, and it will be 1 2 6, sir, I think.
1 to 6. Okay. So what do you mean to say is if you write in quotes or if you don't write in quotes?
It doesn't make any sense, sir. So
Okay.
it doesn't
Okay. Okay.
make difference.
Got it. Got it. Got it. Okay. Okay. Shravan, I will give you one chat. Just check this out.
So,
Can you copy this? And uh, I want you to just break till 3. What condition you will write? I want 0, 1, 2, 3. That's it. You got it right? And yeah, you can write a condition in if, so that the array, it should like the element should be 0, 1, 2, 3. That's it. And it should go out of loop. What condition you will write?
can you repeat once again the question, sir?
Okay, so we have written if condition num triple equals to 3. Inside that block, whatever
Yes,
you want to make change, you can make change there, and output should be 0, 1, 2, 3. No change should be done outside. That's it. You got it right?
yes, sir.
Yep. I just want output as 0, 1, 2, 3.
Then I can add a break here, sir. It will terminate the loop.
Yeah, show me the output. That's it.
I'm not getting.
Any condition through which you will get. Okay, before that you run this. You run this. See the output, it is appearing as 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We want till
Yes, sir.
3.
Yes, sir.
So what condition you will put inside if block so that it will print till 3?
Now number equals to 3, then when it will be num equals to 3, then we can terminate it, sir. We
Yeah,
can use the break statement.
what condition you will put so that it get terminates or it gets out of the block? What you will put?
Array dot length equals to 4, sir.
Go ahead and show me the output.
Here I can add algorithm, sir.
You can put whatever you want. I just want output till 3. That's it.
I'm not able to understand this for each. I know I use less, sir. I don't know how to do.
Oh yeah, no worries, no worries. See, Shravan, the approach is right. Okay. Okay, I will show you. You can put array dot length. Right inside if condition, right? Array dot length is equals to 0.
Oh, right. Yes, sir. I can understand, sir. I can explain. Can I explain, sir?
Yeah, yeah, please.
First, it will for each method works on the arrays. It's like it takes in every individual array items as input and pass here to the function as a parameter. Then every individual item will come. When we hit that number, this any item is come and get equals to 3. Then we are setting this array dot length equals to 3. Length equals to 0, then we will set to 0, then it will not continue to iterate, sir. Then it will break that and come out of the loop.
Yep. So you told me with the help of array dot length. So that's why I showed you with the help of length. Is there any other approach through which you can do it? You don't have to use double equal to 0 there. Okay, you use
Yes.
double equal to, right? Now run this. Okay, if you,
You can set like array dot length.
what you will put, double equal to 0 or equal to 0?
Hey, yes, equals to 0.
Okay. Okay, now you told me with the help of array dot length we can do it. So I showed you with the help of array dot length. Is there any
Yes.
other approach through which you can do it?
Means inside this only, sir. Here
Yes.
only.
Yes. Without array dot length, is there any other approach?
Sir. I don't.
Okay. Any idea or like you really don't know? Any approach through which you can. Okay, Shravan, no worries, no worries. Okay. Okay, Shravan, can you give me an example for function currying?
Function correct.
Yep.
Like we are here considering a mathematical graduation. Yeah, if it's I'm calculating the exponent of exponent or like square of the function, sir.
Okay, just take simple example. Do addition of three numbers. That's it with the help of function currying.
Function for
Okay. Okay, do that.
function. Take parameter as p, then turn and enter function. It will take the parameter as c. Then we go
You can close the terminal as of now. Yeah, yeah, you cross it. Yep. Okay, no worries, no worries. Yep. Zoom a little if you can. Yep, that's it.
we are in the function. Function add of add of first one, and we are supposed we can do like this, sir. or we can in pairing is mainly used for continuous use with different inputs. So we can call it like this. Or, can you look at
Yeah, yeah, run this. Okay. Go ahead. Like one, two, three. Okay, you have added. Okay, okay, fine, fine. You have done. Okay. So, can you tell me? Do you know infinite currying?
Yes, sir, I do, sir.
Okay. So can you show me the example of infinite currying?
Yes, sir. Infinite kernel in there will again recursively call that in this function again
Yeah,
and again. So
yeah.
it will get uh, continuously run, and how many we can pass as many as parameters, as many as arguments to this function, and it will go and accept and finally give the result.
Okay, show me the example.
Like function. So here we can add the condition. If we get the parameter as p, then we are going to return we can return this a plus p, return k only. I think it's the right one. Sir, can I once again check it, sir? Can I check it?
First tell me the approach, what you are doing, and then we will go ahead.
Oh,
I want addition of 10 numbers. Like 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. These are the 10 numbers, and you told me, right? Recursively, it will run the function, right?
now it's correct, sir. Is it correct?
Yes, come again.
Now is it correct, sir? This function.
Do you want to check or what?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yeah,
I
yeah,
want to check, sir.
yeah, yeah, go ahead.
Function. Yes, sir, it's working. Now I can add multiple parameters to it.
Yeah, okay.
Think, yes, sir, it's
Yes,
working, sir.
okay, okay, that's great. Okay, okay, okay. Write a function.
All
Write whatever function you want, and write inside parameters as abc xyz pqr. ABC, no, 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 right, ABC, comma, XYZ, comma, PQR. Yep, comma, PQR, comma, XYZ, XYZ. You have to call this function,
yes, sir.
call this function. How will you call it outside? FX,
It's,
yes, yes,
we
yes,
can
and write
the
whatever, write e-
arguments.
8, comma, 9, comma, 10. Write 11, 12, 13 as well. 11, 12, 13. And write a return PQR
Return
space
p
PQR and yeah, write PQR as before that write triple dot.
okay.
In
This
function
ID.
parameters write
Yes,
triple
sir.
dot as PQR. No, not there, not there. In parameters.
Yes, sir, sir. Understood.
Yep. Okay. And tell me what will be the output. Write console log of fx, right, function calling, right.
Here, what happens is, sir? This XYZ will assign take the argument as 13. Then all the middle arguments are assigned to PQR. Then we are spreading, we are destructuring it, sir. Here we are writing that. Then it will be print 9, 10, 11, 12. I think.
Okay, so PQR will be having 9, 10, 11, 12.
Yes, sir.
Okay, instead of return PQR, write console log of PQR, right? Yeah, write console log of PQR. PQR. And you are telling me for PQR value will be 9, 10, 11, 12.
Yes, sir.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
Okay, run this then.
Uh, yeah, I think it's the best
See, can you
parameter.
see the error what it is saying?
Yes, sir. Best parameter was the last forming parameter. So what this means, I think we should add this at the end, sir.
Yep. Yes.
Yes, sir. Now it's gonna work like 8 and 9 assigned to ABC and XYZ. Then all the rest of the will assigned to PQR, sir. Now we are considering PQR. Then 10, 11, 12.
Yeah, that was the catch, right? The last parameter only can be the rest parameter.
Yes, the
Okay.
name itself. Yes.
Okay, fine. Can you write console log of? You can comment this all out. Write console log of. Write plus true. Write
Yes.
plus false, false, false. And on next line, write console log of. Write, write not. Yep. Write Shravan as a string. Write as a string. How you write as a string? Yep. And tell me what will be the output.
It will be false. I think it will be. It also get false, sir. False, false.
Output will be false, false.
Yes, sir.
Are you sure?
Sir, I think it
So
will be.
what is the use of that plus operator then?
I,
Inside first false, there is a plus false, right? Plus false. And okay, so you are telling me it will the output will be false. So if we write
yes, sir, 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 sir. It will be right. It will be. I think it will be zero, sir. Zero plus zero plus false equals to zero. I think.
are you sure it will be zero?
Yes, sir. I thought.
No, you are like you are sure or you are not?
Yes, sir, I sure it will be zero.
Yeah, okay, it will be zero. Okay, and the second one will be
Second will be. It will be false, sir.
it will be false.
False.
Okay. Right, you can comment this out. Okay, write let a equals to 10. Okay, let b equals to new number, new number, space number.
New number. Yes, sir.
Write 10
Yes, sir.
and write let c equals to
Mm,
100.
okay.
Okay, can you print console log of a comma b?
A
Just
comma B will return.
just print it console log of a comma b and tell me the output. What will be the
Now
output?
it will be 10, and after that it will be start from 0, 1, 2, 3 up to 9, sir. 10, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
So output will be 10 and then 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Yes, sir.
Are you sure on this?
Yes, sir.
Okay, run this then.
This constructor method I never use, first is
What it is telling.
It's assigning at, value 10 to B, sir.
B. Okay. Okay, so output of both the will be 10, right?
Yes, sir. 10,
O-
10.
Okay, now you got it. Okay, now can you write console log of A double equals to B and console of log of A triple equals to B, and tell me what will be the output?
It will first. I think it will be check value, sir. It will be correct. Next, it will be false. I think true and
So
false.
both will be false, you mean to say?
Yes, sir. One is true, one is false.
Which one is true?
First one, sir.
Can you tell me why it is true and why the second one is false?
First one is in double equals to it's weekly check. It checks weekly, sir. So it just checks the value inside the variables. So here already a equals to 10. Then b already assign equals to 10. Here I am from this what I'm getting, sir. It's an array, sir. So it's array is not equals to a number. So I think it's false.
It's an
It's
array.
a step.
Can you tell me why we use new keyword?
Oh, sir, it creates a new object, sir. I think.
Okay, so can you tell me array methods you have used?
For each for of map filter reduce and index of find index some or every and this not index at or there's a lot of array dot fill array dot form array dot sir, that's quite many. I can remember this.
Okay, have you used find method?
Yes, sir, fine.
Okay, so can you tell me what find method does?
we, 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 we pass an value to it. It just returns an index.
It just returns the index. Can you show me an example?
Oh, sir.
Uh, Please don't put the yeah. Yeah, you told me find is used to find out the index, right?
Yes, sir.
Yep, you can show me the index as per you.
So, sir, find the year what is here we pass the function, sir. Actually, it's a callback function we pass, and it I think it's going to find not sir. It will be returning that value, sir. If it just checks we have the value or not, sir.
Okay, but you told me that it will return the index, right? You told me, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now what you are telling me?
It's find is a higher order function. It takes a callback, and every array elements will get iterated again and again. Then it will check. We can check for any particular value we want, and it will return that value, sir. If it present in the array, sir.
Okay, right, element greater than
Better than
20. Greater than 20. Element greater, not lesser, greater.
yes, 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 yes. Greater
And
than.
now tell me what will be the output.
It's I think it's 23. It's
350,
it just returns only one value. So first value which it catch it will
which
be
satisfies the condition.
yes, sir, yes, sir.
Okay, so
It will,
352 it won't because 23 already got printed.
yes.
Okay,
If we pass then it will be
352. Okay,
it
okay,
just
so
returns only one value, sir.
one value. Okay, fine, fine. Can you tell me about the difference between mutable and immutable arrays?
In the
Do you
arrays,
know the difference between mutable and immutable?
as a mutables are, we can modify them. Immutables we can't able to do
Okay,
anything with them
okay,
after once we modify them.
okay. So mutable we can modify.
Yes. Into arrays, in case of arrays, I do this.
Immutable will be opposite, don't you
Yes,
think?
sir, yes, sir, we can't modify that.
Okay, so you told me the difference between mutable and immutable. Can you tell me the examples of mutable arrays?
Arrays,
Okay,
arrays,
no worries, no worries, no worries. Write, write an array.
mm,
Write whatever elements you can. Write 4 to 5 elements. Okay. Write unshift.
alright.
Write.
Mm,
How will you write unshift? What unshift does? First, tell me that.
shift is, it's going to add a new value, sir. New value at the beginning of the array, sir.
Okay, at the beginning of the array, we add new value. Write whatever value you want. You can write.
Shift of one.
Okay, and now what you can do? Write console log of array on the next ERR and write console log of this unshift as well for unshift on the below code. Yes, write in console log and tell me the output in both the cases and write it in console log that array dot unshift one.
Here only, sir.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Tell me the output on both the cases.
It just returns this new value, sir. Just one,
So what will happen?
sorry, it returns one or two, sir.
It returns
It
one.
will return this whole array with now modified as we modify
So
it like this.
yeah, tell me the output on both the case.
It will be like this. It's like this, and here it will be shift to from is here don't know, sir. I don't know what it will be.
You don't know that one. Okay, you can comment this all out. Do you know slice method?
Yes, sir. Slice method returns us that part of which we want from an array, sir. It just extract that part, sir.
Okay, can you give me an example?
It's, slice one, two, three, here it just return if you console log this it will return by 0.3, sir.
Okay, do this console log and write console log of ARR as well and write console log of ARR.
It's this slice method is not going to previously was yes, sir. It's what happens is here it's not going to modify this original array, sir. It just returns a part of this array only. Here it not going to affect this original array. It just returns here. It will be written as here only. Then it will just like 5 and 3. It's going to return this array, sir.
Okay,
And here it will be this whole array, sir. It will be as usual is from here, sir.
so slice method only returns the
Yes, sir.
portion of the
Previously,
array.
sir, yes, sir. Previously you asked for mutable or immutable arrays, sir.
Yes.
Now I think it's one here of us.
So this is the example of
This immutable immutable.
immutable. Okay.
Sir, sir, no worries.
Okay. So Shravan, we will move to React.js. Okay. Okay. So suppose there is. So can you tell me what you have used? Class function and class components or
Function.
function?
I learned function components.
Okay, you have used functional components. So tell me, there is a use effect hook, right?
Yes, sir.
So, okay, first tell me the syntax of use effect hook.
User is just called like which first we need to import the user effect. Then from there
No, no,
we can
no,
like
don't tell me what we will import and what not. Tell me there is a use effect, there is a syntax for writing use effect, there are parameters we write. So, what are those parameters we write? That's it.
we in use effect function we first we pass a parameter as a callback function. Next we will pass a dependency arrays.
Okay.
If this on this dependency arrays it will perform side effects. That if this side effect will depend on the dependency arrays.
Okay, got it, got it, got it. Now, so callback function, it will what it does? It returns the function.
Not just perform some actions inside that.
Okay, suppose if we write async to that callback function,
Yes, sir.
so what situation will arrive?
Means
Firstly, tell me can we pass async function, and if yes, what it will happen?
then
Right, we
it
write the
not.
function uh, as a async, right?
Yes, sir.
What async returns? Any idea?
It's just a promise.
Yes. So if we write async to the callback function, so what it will happen in use effect? If we write async to a callback function, what it will happen?
What will happen is I'm not getting what's
What
this mean.
situation will arrive? Any idea?
Not getting, sir. What actually
Async
question?
function, it returns a promise.
Yes, sir.
So if we apply to the callback function,
Yes, sir.
what is it a right way? Is it a wrong way? Is if it
Yes,
is a
sir.
right.
Usually, those API calls will usually made on that use effect only, sir. It will be so beneficial for async calls, sir.
We
It will
can
not block the main thread. It is just run in its side, sir.
so we can write async, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You meant to say we can write async to the callback function.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so okay, that's fine. Okay, if we basically we can't write async to the callback function. It is against the rules as it returns a promise. Okay, so tell me the difference between use memo and use callback.
Use memo, it just memoizes the a single value. Use callback memos. It's both used for caching, sir. Both used for memoizing for better performance. Use memo memorize only a single value. Use callback memorize the whole function, sir.
Okay, how you can optimize the React application performance?
There are many ways, sir, but as of now, I just know we can use callbacks, use memo, and we can do better state management. We can reduce profiling, and we can use a React context for better state management. And so that's all.
Have you used lazy loading?
No, sir, lazy loading, I don't use.
Okay, okay.
But I know, sir, what is lazy loading. Yes,
Okay, if you know lazy loading, then don't
sir.
you think it helps us to optimize the React
Yes, sir.
performance?
It also I just studied this in JavaScript only, sir. In basic, what happens is there's something called generators, sir. Generators help to load the content. Basically, means it just loads the how much content as we want. It just loads that only, sir.
Okay. Can you tell me the difference between package.json file and package log.json file?
Package also JSON contains all the dependencies, scripts, and the project, all the files and which are required for our projects are package of log.json. It controls this package of JSON. Sir. It just in the some we use some dependencies. All those version controls are controlled by package log.json.
Okay. What is JSX?
Just is JavaScript XML, which lets us write HTML like code inside the JavaScript functions.
Okay. So JSX, they are understandable by browsers, right?
No, sir, JSS is directly not understandable by the person, but it can be it is then converted to or what some it just converted to version JavaScript by the compiler called Babel. It converts JSX to browser readable form JavaScript.
Okay, and it is done by.
Babel, sir. Babel compiler.
Okay. Can you tell me React whether it is a one-way data binding or two-way data binding?
It's a one-way data binding. Means what happens is in React we can pass the data in only one direction, sir. We can just from parents to child. We can pass like that. We can't return that to parents from child. It's one-way data binding, sir.
Okay. Do you know how you handle form validation?
Yes, we can handle it by event listener, event handler, sir.
Which?
On click, on change, on submit.
Okay. Okay, can you tell me the difference between use state and use reducer?
Use state is normally used for smaller states, vendors, smaller states. States use reducer is basically used for when there's a complex state management. Then we can use reducer. Means here what happens is we can't continuously define multiple use states. Instead of we can define a single reducer function, a single use state reducer. Then we use there's something called a reducer function. It reducer function continuously checks for actions and types which it want. Then we can pass dispatch functions to it. It can perform multiple actions, sir.
Okay, so you mean to say just use reducer is used for handling complex tasks.
Yes, yes.
Okay, okay, fine. Okay, do you know what is code splitting in ReactJS?
Code splitting, sir.
Yes.
I, yeah, I will forget, sir.
Okay, no worries, no worries.
Sir, can
Okay,
you give me a hint, sir? I will listen.
we divide the code into smaller chunks.
Uh,
Okay, no
to
worries, you can check it out later on. No worries. So there is a source folder in React. So what is the role of source folder?
rule, sir.
There is a source folder, right? In
Yes,
ReactJS. You
sir.
know it?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So can you tell me what is source folder in React? What is the role of source folder?
It holds all our project files and all the components, all the and what we all the- everything is inside the source folder, so which we can once it will start to when we build the project, when we build that project, it will be source folder. It will get as JavaScript bundles and it will push to so basically everything is in source folder only, sir. All the project requirements, all functions,
And
files and
what
everything.
public folder contains?
Click folder contains like like favicons and we can store the index system index.html also there index.html.
Are they processed by Webpack? The public folder, are they processed by Webpack? Yes or no?
Okay, so what is webpack about webpack? I don't know, sir, how it will work. But in some cases, when usually the React pre demo app is there, and then in the public folder there will be icon and some images are there. So I thought it will be processed.
Shravan, what I have asked, whether they are processed by Webpack, yes or no. The public folder, whether they are processed by
I
Webpack,
think
yes or no.
I think yes, sir.
It is
They
processed.
are,
Okay. Okay, so there is a switch component in React routing.
yes,
Do you know it?
I forget. Ask, sir. Ask. I will remember it, sir. You can ask.
So, are you able to remember, or like you are not able to remember?
Switch is able to, yes sir, what it multiple routes are multiple routes can be passed to that switch, and we can navigate between different routers, sir, different pages. That's what it is.
Okay, we will move to HTML. Okay. Can you tell me what are empty elements?
Empty elements which do not contain any data or any value inside, sir. Everything is handled in their attributes only, sir.
Which
Everything data
doesn't
is
have
which
any data.
yes.
Okay.
Data means we are not explicitly like H1 we pass heading is equals to my name is so
Okay,
on be
and
like
if we don't write anything inside H1, so that is
yes,
empty elements, you mean to say?
no sir, H1 is not an empty element. H1 is that normal element. Empty elements are like image tags or PR tags or horizontal row tags. They are empty elements.
Why they are known as empty elements?
We don't need to pass anything explicitly to them. So everything will be inside their attributes only, sir.
Yeah,
If you take image as an image tag as an example, image like contains a source we just pass a source only there only in the attributes, then we not going to pass into.
so what is the difference between a normal tag and empty tags? Empty, right? There are normal tags are there. There are empty tags. So what is the difference between those?
In the empty tabs we just have a single line where everything will be like that.
Okay, so there is a closing tag in the
Yes,
empty
that's the close.
in
No
empty.
sir, no sir. Extra no, it's already closed itself, sir.
Okay, fine, fine. What is the use of span tag in HTML?
Span is an inline elements. It just it does not fully occupy the whole space, the whole row in the browser. It just takes that amount of area that it should wants. Unlike div, it's not a block element. It's an
Okay,
inline.
okay. So there is HTML and there is XHTML. So can you tell me the difference between HTML and XHTML?
The X means extended HTML. I think so.
Yeah,
I,
so any difference?
no sir, I don't think so.
Okay. What are the tags we use for displaying a table?
TR, TR, TR,
Okay, TRN.
TD and TR, TH.
TH is for
Heading sir, table heading.
table heading. Okay. Okay, can you tell me the layout of HTML? There is a certain layout, right? Header is there and something, something.
So, initially, we start with document type. Document type is HTML. Mm,
Keep your mic
and
closer.
document type HTML, sir. Syntax doc type HTML. Then we pass in the heading. We pass all the meta tags, all the link tags, or
Just just the
everything.
layout. I just want layout, right? Header section, then there is a content section. So you can tell me in a specific order what other sections are available.
So there's only two sections. First one is header. Next one is main. Everything is in the body section. Header, head and main. In head, there's meta tags, link tags simply in the main, and in the body tag, everything is like a header, footer, content section. Everything will come under body section.
Okay, okay, fine, fine, fine. Okay, we'll move to CSS. Can you tell me the difference between display none and visibility hidden?
Display none, which which completely removes that element from the flow. Sir, display hidden, it keeps its place, but it will not going to display on the processor. It occupies that space. But
In hidden.
yes, sir, display hidden.
Okay, okay. So how can you hide an element in CSS?
Visibility
Okay,
hidden.
okay, no worries, no worries. Can you tell me what is universal selector?
So universal selector is that asterisk symbol, star symbol, which will be passed when we give some values to it. Uh, it will be assigned to every element in the HTML.
Okay,
Whatever we pass to them, every other element will get applied to that. What the properties it contains.
okay. So, okay. So there are priorities given to the selectors, right?
Yes, yes, sir.
So can you tell me the priority order of the selectors?
Priority order. From bottom it starts with like class selector, sir.
Yes, come again.
Priority we can give like from class class selector is the
Is
lowest
the
level
highest
priority.
priority.
Highest is I think ID, sir.
It is second highest.
Second, yes, sir. First one is tag. We directly we can insert the tag and use this tag name.
So inline it is the which third, fourth.
Right. Inline
Yeah,
also has sir, it has
I'm
I think it
saying
has
in
better.
priority list inline
Yes, in
comes at which
inline I
place?
think first place.
Okay, inline first and then
Next ID, sir.
okay,
Next I think it's a class.
okay, 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 fine, fine, fine.
We can use like sir in defining the properties. Then we can use like that exclamatory and important keyword that will define that it overrides the inline also, sir.
Okay, okay,
Inline styling also it overrides.
okay. You know, we use keyframes in CSS.
So for animations we use this one. I never
Okay,
use animations.
okay, okay,
Right.
okay, fine, fine, fine. Uh, yeah, Shravan, that's it for the interview. Any queries you want to ask?